We are going to make you guys a special Danish dish.
Can you pronounce it?
Risengrød.
It's called Risengrød, and it's something that we eat for Christmas every year. So it's like a rice porridge. Yeah, so usually you make it with normal, just dairy milk, and we're gonna use coconut milk instead. It's gonna be so good. I think it's gonna be even more creamy. This is like rice for porridge, and then we bought some normal coconut milk. We have some water, of course, and then we bought some coconut sugar to put over it. We need 200 grams of this rice. Okay, so now we're gonna add 2 deciliters of water. And then just let it cook a little bit.
For how long?
Until some of the water is absorbed. Okay, so now it has been boiling for around 3 minutes. And you can see a lot of the water has been absorbed. So now what we have to do is we have to add in a liter of water. We have to add in the coconut milk. And this is 165 milliliters. Okay, so now it's boiling, so we're gonna add a teaspoon of salt. And then we're just gonna stir it. And then we're gonna put it on low heat. So I'll put it on 1. And I'll just continue stirring it a little bit because it's important that you still stir.
A few moments later.
Okay, so now it's been sitting here for 20 minutes and I've stirred it a few times. So let's take a look and see what it looks like now. You can see, yay, it's starting to become porridge.
Ah, nice.
Yeah, a lot of the water is starting to get absorbed.
Is it really stuck?
It really...
Oh my goodness.
It's really stuck. Okay. Now we're just gonna let it sit here for another 20 minutes and then it should be ready. 20 minutes later. Okay, I think it's done now. Let's take a look. It's perfect. I'm gonna add in another ingredient and it's vanilla powder, so just raw vanilla powder. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna do a taste test. Ah, it's very hot. Ah. Do you like it?
Yeah.
This is the consistency that we are looking for. You can see it's kind of thick. This is going to make 4 servings. So maybe 1 serving for me and 3 for Jonathan.
Sounds about right.
Now it's time to add the coconut sugar. Yeah. And some cinnamon. And it's ready.
Okay, so now it is time to dig in. Man, I wish there was smell-o-vision because it smells so freaking good.
It's like sweet and cinnamon and vanilla.
Ladies first.
Ah, you're learning. Wow.
I got grilled the last time.
It's really good. It's so creamy.
I'm gonna mix mine.
It's more creamy.
It really smells like the arroz con dulce that we make in Puerto Rico. Oh man, high five. That was amazing. This is so good. Super duper simple. Honestly, anybody can make this at home and it takes almost no time at all, less than an hour cooking time. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Look at that consistency. That's perfect. Are you feeding me?
I'm a feeder. That's why you stay so big.
You want the big bite? Literally, I can eat this all day long. This is amazing.
This is not gonna be 4 servings.
No, it's gonna be like 1 serving. That wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe, and if you guys give it a try, we're gonna leave the recipe down in the description box below. Make sure to tag us on Instagram. Our links will be down there as well. And yeah, until next time, everybody, peace out.
Bye.